Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm gonna be telling you all of my go-to drugstore hair styling products. These are not gonna be your shampoo and conditioners and things like that. This is just products to style your hair with. I talk so much about a lot of high-end products, which I do really love and appreciate, but there's a lot of you that want those drugstore options. You don't want to break the bank trying to do your curly hair, and I totally understand that. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to turn on the bell so that you don't miss any future uploads. And let's go ahead and jump on into this video. All right, so I have a bucket full of products down here to go through, and I'm gonna go through them pretty quickly. The very first one that I wanna talk about is one that I actually don't have on hand, and that is the Cantu Curl Activating Cream. I've talked about that product for years on my channel. It is definitely a favorite of mine. I don't use it as frequently now just because I have found other products that I love just as much, but that product is definitely an amazing drugstore option. It is so cheap and definitely worth the money. The next line that I want to talk about is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line. Now, this is again a product that I really haven't reached for as frequently as I used to. This used to be literally my go-to for drugstore hair care products. These two are like the most popular ones. This is the Curl Talk Sculpting Gel and the Curl Talk Defining Cream. I used to use these all of the time, but my favorite product out of that line is their Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. This product is my favorite styler from this line. It's so good. If you're someone that has thinner, more low density type of curls and you need that extra volume, a mousse is where it's at, and this one gives amazing definition, gives me really great volume, and it gives really good hold, so my curls definitely last for several days before having to refresh. I love this. And while we're talking about the Not Your Mother's line, I do want to mention this one. This is not from their Curl Talk line, but this is the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter. This is for fine, thin hair. So this is a product that I actually love to refresh with, and it is great for volumizing, strengthening, and it definitely gives a little bit of shine to the hair. I like to wet my hair down just a little bit. I like to spray this in my hands, rub my hands together, and then kind of smooth it over my hair, and it gives me great refresh results. I don't know what it is about this particular product, but it definitely gives me great results, and it does really plump my hair. The next two products that I want to talk about are from Eva NYC. This is a drugstore brand that has an array of products, and I like quite a few of their products, but my go-tos are this one right here. This is their Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. This you use once your hair is clean, cleansed, conditioned, all that good stuff. I put this on as my first step in my styling routine, and it does a ton of different things. It has a heat protectant in it. It's a great detangling spray. It has all the benefits that I want from a leave-in product, so I love this. I haven't talked about this one as much, but this is their Shape Shifter Texturizing Hairspray. I don't use a ton of hairspray, but when I do, it's typically a texturizing type of hairspray because it does give my hair more volume. And so this one, it's very scented. I could definitely do without the scent of it, but it definitely gives the hair good texture, and if you're looking for something to zhuzh your hair up and give it a little extra volume, this product is really, really good for that. My next products are from Marc Anthony, and this is from the Strictly Curls line. Number one, I love the packaging of this. I just love how vibrant and colorful it is, but these two products are amazing. This is the one that I reach for the most. This is their Curl Defining Lotion. It helps with humidity, which I live in Virginia, a very, very humid climate, so I need all of the humidity protection and control that I can get. And this one's actually really good too. This one I use a lot less product. This is their Curl Envy Cream. This product is actually really good too, but I don't reach for this one as much because it is geared towards coarse hair and mine is more fine textured. But when I use this, I typically will thin it out with some water, and then then apply it to my hair, and it does really good as well. But this is their Curl Envy Cream, and it has avocado oil and shea butter in it. This one is my favorite from this line. Again, this is the Curl Defining Lotion. Really, really good at giving my hair definition, and for it being a cream product, it gives my hair good hold as well. So I really love it. The next products I feel like I've been mentioning a lot lately, and that is the Hask Curl Care line. I just love these products, y'all. They're so good and so affordable. So this is the Hask Curl Care Curl Shaping Jelly. This is probably my favorite product out of the entire line. I like to refresh with this. I also like to use this on my styling days, on my wash days. It's just so good. But two other products that I really love from this line is the Curl Enhancing Mousse. This is more a product that I use strictly for volume, so I like to add this before I go in with a gel or a cream. This is a really good mousse at giving a little extra volume, but it's not a mousse that I would use by itself. And then the last product that I really like from their line is the Curl Defining Cream. This controls frizz and gives all the hydration that your hair needs. So just depending on how I feel, sometimes I'll go in with just the jelly by itself if I'm in a rush and I get great results. This kind of gives you a more like plumped curl look as well. I really love the results that I get with this, but sometimes I do like to go in when my hair is a little extra dry. For the extra hydration, I do like to go in with a Curl Defining Cream first. It gives my hair a little extra moisture, and then I'll go in with the gel. So I like this combination a lot. And then my final products are ones that you have heard me talk about in the past as well. These are my tried and true. I love them, and this one is my holy grail gel product. This is the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Jelly. This is amazing. It gives the hair such great hold. When I use this, my curls last for days and days and days. I just really love this product, and it's so cheap if you can find it. I typically will find it at my local TJ Maxx. Sometimes when it's not available there, I'll just purchase it from Amazon. It is a little more expensive on Amazon, but it's there if you need it. And by the way, I will link all of these products in the description box that I can find. And then last but not least, I have another one from Dippity Doo, and that is this product right here. This is the Girls with Curls Curl Boosting Mousse. This is another product that I really love to refresh with. It's very light, it's amazing, but I also have used this by itself as a styler, and I love the results that I get with it as well. These two in combination with one another are really great too. You can go in with the mousse for that volumizing effect, and then go in with the jelly for the hold. These two make a great combination. And there is my quick lineup of my favorite drugstore styler products. You don't have to spend a ton of money to get great curly hair results. I want you guys to understand that. It's really all about testing products out and seeing what works for your curl type. I have fine, thin, low density curly hair. These products work amazing for my hair. So if you have hair that's anything like mine, then I definitely think that you would enjoy these products. And I mean, I know there's plenty of drugstore products that I have not tried that's on the market. So if you have a drugstore product that you love for your curly hair, leave it in the comments below. I would love to see what your suggestions are. And remember, these were just the stylers. So there's a lot of other products. There's treatment products. There are cleansers, conditioners, deep conditioners that I really love from the drugstore as well. So if you'd like to see a separate video going over those type of products, I'm happy to do that. Just let me know. Give this video a thumbs up so that I know. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.